I'm Carrie Kukral. I'm the founder of Raw Science Film Festival. This is its 10th year anniversary, and for the first time we're in New York City.
I really love coming back to Raw Science because this is where it all began.
The former captain of the Afghan girls robot team, Florence, with Douglas Chin, who met the girls in 2018 in Santa Barbara, was so touched by them that he went on to produce the film Afghan Dreamers, which won an award here this time.
I'm Florence Puya, 18 years old, from Afghanistan, and today I'm here because of the movie from my team, Afghan Dreamers, so excited.
It's a team of Afghan girls that have literally helped to change societal attitudes in Afghanistan and made life better, not just for Afghan girls and women, but for all Afghans.
Yeah, it's a quick examination of AI, which it's essentially an interview between me and an AI chatbot.
What I hope with artificial intelligence is it can be used to create a world, to address the environmental problems that we have, to prevent wars and help create greater dialogue between countries.
I'm Susaye Greene, the last member of the Supremes. I just want to emphasize to anybody who's out there, go into the science field. Because look, if we're going to get to the future, it's going to be because of science.
Listen to the Universe is about turning space data into sound.
To help people who are blind or low vision connect with the incredible universe that we all live in.
The Inuit Windsled is the development of the first wind-powered vehicle capable of transporting or moving through the polar regions, through the interior of Antarctica, through the interior of Greenland.
AI is a little bit scary, but humans, when they come together and use their minds and their creativity, we can do a lot.
The founders of AMPAS had the wisdom and the foresight to include science in the art of filmmaking. Art and science go hand, they hold hands with one another.
Raw Science Film Festival is everything it should be. It is utterly transformative.
I want to be a role model, try to be a source of inspiration, and show them that if you want that something and you try, you can make it.